Hello, good evening. My name is Sandra Alvarez. I am 26 years old. In my free time, I like to listen to music and prepare myself to sing and spend more time with my parents. I live in Samaniego, Nariño. The last vacations I rested a little. I made more musical presentations. I currently live with my parents. I am studying a degree in early childhood pedagogy. The truth is that I have not thought about it and I never have plans to go on vacations. Just spend them at my parents' house and help with the chores at home. My hobbies are music and teaching, and today I bring you delicious recipe with only 3 ingredients. 300 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons of maizena, flour, 1 egg, and oil for frying. Then we put cheese ingredients in a bowl and mix with a spoon. The dough will use your hands consistency when you already have that texture. Your will pass to a board and continue can adding. The forms are rectangle and divide in it in different parts depending on the size you want to form the vines. Put them in a pan with very hot oil. You will be turning them until they are golden brown and serve with a delicious coffee or whatever you prefer. Thanks, Joe.